Today we're looking at a fence replacement, and we're using Postmaster fence posts. These are 8-foot galvanized posts. Each post is put into a 2-foot deep hole, and a 60-pound bag of concrete is dropped around it. On the post, you'll see that they're pre-drilled for the rails that'll go on here. They're also scored every 6 inches so that the installers can easily tell where they're going to put different things. Once the rails are put into here with screws, the pickets will be put on, probably using galvanized nails. This post, in order to fit in with the other sort of fences through the neighborhood, is going to be sheathed with a piece of wood here, here, and here. It'll look like a traditional post when it's done. So far, the crew has gotten a lot of holes dug. Some of them have been filled with concrete. Some of them haven't. Most of these have the concrete in them. This pile of debris is pretty much the old fence. This fence was installed about 22 years ago, and most of the posts had gotten pretty rotten. A lot of the panels were in pretty bad shape too. So this is a better view on the back side of how these are attached. So you got 4 galvanized screws, and these guys are nice and solid, and soon the pickets will be going up. And a day later, the process is almost done. The pickets have been put up with a slight gap here and there, as the overall shape is going to end up rounded or convex, as you can see there. They still got the old fence to haul away, but here's our post. Been on the ground for a day. The concrete is set up. Thing is very sturdy, and these you can see again screwed in with galvanized screws. This fence is supposed to withhold even with a 70-mile-an-hour wind, so it's coming right along. Well, they finished with the fence yesterday, and snow has moved in. This is what the finished fence looks like. And each of these steel posts is now covered with a wood panel here, giving you a wood post look. Hope you enjoy watching the Postmaster fence video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.